What's up, guys? Paul Takas here at Ken Pollock Nissan, bringing you this week's That's Cheap special. We got a certified pre-owned 2016 Nissan Rogue SL in pearl white. Only 36,000 miles, one owner, clean Carfax. This SL Rogue is loaded. All-wheel drive, leather interior, panoramic sunroof, heated seats, navigation, Bose premium audio, power liftgate. The list goes on and on. Check out these nice alloy wheels, they're beautiful. This week's That's Cheap special pricing, $18,995.
That's cheap.
Mike, it gets cheaper. Finance today with Nissan, save an additional $450 and pick up a year of free complimentary maintenance. That's $18,545 when financed through Nissan. Now that's cheap. Stop by Ken Pollock Nissan today for a test drive. Have a great night, everyone.